verb meaning. Okay, next one is carnivores. Okay, can you read what is carnivores?
Carnivores. Carnivores are animals that only eat meat. These animals have catch animals to eat.
These animals eat another animals. They are called carnivores. So they eat meat. Basta tayo meat.
Oh,
Basta tayo meat, Sherbel.
it's a meat.
Basta tayo
Lamb,
meat is, what is tayo meat? Ha? Lamb?
a meat. Lamb,
Yeah. Okay, so that is meat. Okay, what are the examples of carnivores on the picture? What are the examples?
and a tiger.
Where is the
Tiger
tiger?
can eat meat.
Yes, very good. So here on our example is we have, what type of bird is this?
Eagle.
Eagle, very good. How about this one? What is this?
Shark.
Shark. Okay, what the shark eats?
The shark can eat meat. If
Mm.
the if someone fall into the water, the shark can eat them the meat.
Yes, very good. And this one, what animal is this? The king of the jungle.
It's a lion.
Yeah, lion. Okay, what do you think the lion eats?
The lion can eat meat.
Some meats they eat, the lion can eat zebra, buffalo. Yeah, those
Buffalo.
animals are herbivores. Okay. How about this one? What animal is this?
A crocodile. A
Again?
crocodile.
Yeah, that is
Crocodile.
crocodile. Have you seen a crocodile?
That I do. I see the crocodile before I go to the zoo.
Which zoo do you go? Did you go? What is the name of the zoo? Is it Safari World?
Wahin Zoo.
Wahin
No, no,
Zoo.
no. Wahin Zoo.
Yes, okay. How about shark? Have you seen a shark?
No, I
No.
don't.
How about a lion?
Mhm. Yes, I does the zoo.
Okay. An eagle. Have you seen an eagle?
No, didn't. No,
Okay.
I haven't.
Okay. So can you give me another examples of carnivores?
It's a tiger.
Tiger. What other else?
Piranha.
Hyena.
Piranha.
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 Yeah, piranha. Okay.
Yes.
What other else?
Piranha is so scary and they
Yeah,
eat
it is very
people.
scary. They will eat people. What other else aside from piranha and tiger? Hmm, think. One more.
Mm. The frog.
Frog. What the frog eats?
Insect.
Yes, very good. The frog eats insect. Also other, we have cheetah. Do you know what is a cheetah?
Yes, I know. The
Yes.
cheetah.
A leopard. Do you know what is a leopard?
It's the one type of tiger.
Yes. A snake. Do you know what is a snake?
Yes.
Yes, a snake is a carnivore. Okay. Lizard. Do you know what are lizard?
Yes, I
Yes.
know.
Lizard is also a carnivore. Okay, very good. Okay, understand now what are carnivores? What the
Yes.
carnivore eats? Sherbel?
Definitely.
Again, what the carnivore eats?
Meat.
Meat. How about herbivore?
Meat.
How about herbivores?
And
Plants. Very good. Okay. Oh. So next one is omnivores. What is omnivores?
if him, the boy and the girl, the bear and the shark.
Okay, can you read what is the meaning of omnivores?
Yes, I can. Omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat meat and plants. These are animals like chickens that can eat seeds and worms.
Okay, very good. They eat two types of food. They can eat meat and plants. Okay, how about you, Cherbel? Are you an omnivore, herbivore, or a carnivore? What are you or where do you belong?
Omnivores.
Yes, omnivores. Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat, Cherbel?
Me too. So
Yes,
too.
very good. How about plants?
Yes, I do.
Yes, so you are an omnivore. Okay, so we have here an example. We have here a chicken. Okay, a chicken eat seeds and worms. Okay, have you seen a worm before?
Yes, I do. I see the
Yeah.
worm at my house.
Okay, then we have a bear. What is the food of the bear? What the
Weeds,
bear eats?
peas,
Fish and plants.
fish, and lambs, and bees.
And pea. Okay, and we have also a
Shark.
porcupine. Or hedgehog, right? So this one eats small insects and plants or worms also. And also have humans, a boy and a girl. Okay, so this is Cherbel. The girl here is Cherbel. And the boy is, who is the boy?
Hawks.
Torch, very good. So this is Cherbel and Torch. What is the favorite food of Torch and Cherbel?
His favorite food is spicy food.
Wow, you like spicy food. Teacher cannot eat spicy food.
I can eat spicy food.
What what uh what
Very
is
yummy.
what is the name of the spicy food? What is the name
Tom
of
yum.
your
Tom yum.
oh
May con ko po ganun.
wait and wait a minute. Hmm.